Hello and welcome to today's video, and today we're going to be talking about things that I put in the XJ40's tank over winter, mainly to keep the fuel from going bad. There's two schools of thought. Some people just like to keep the tank empty. Because the tank on the XJ40 is made out of steel, I believe, it will rot if you leave it empty. Moisture will collect and it will just lunch itself basically. So something I've done in previous years is to use this stuff. Now this stuff is actually for lawnmowers, but it does seem to be suitable for car use as well. It certainly hasn't caused me any problems, certainly at MOT time, certainly come emissions. And it's this stuff, Briggs and Stratton Fuel Fit. So it's a fuel additive for petrol engines, for easier starting and longer engine life apparently. There's two dosey bits on it, so you've got this bit which gives you a measured dose and this bit which just allows you to pour it in. So obviously it's fatal if swallowed. Now 100 millilitres, which I believe that is, will actually deal with 10 litres of fuel. This one will actually deal with 25 litres. So what I do, so I get 3 of these, which gives me up to 75 litres worth of fuel protection. The XJ40 itself uses an 86.3 litre tank, I want to say. I'll round it down to 86 litres. So although this may be a little bit under spec, it should be enough for the amount of fuel that's in there, as it's not completely full, although it is nearly full. There's probably a couple of litres difference. This stuff is Valvemaster Lead replacement additive. I'm actually going to start using this because it has an ethanol stabiliser, and I run super unleaded in the XJ40, so that's an E5 ethanol stabiliser. This will treat up to 250 litres, I want to say. I think it was on there. Yeah, 250 millilitres treats 250 litres. So there is a measured thing up here, so we will need 3 25 litres and probably 1 10 litre, and that should give us the dose that we require for one complete tank on the XJ40. Now, I'm not going to show putting all of this stuff in because it's not the most interesting thing, to be honest with you, but these are the items that I tend to use. Well, these are the items that I've used in previous years, so at the end of each season I always tend to buy 3 of these, just chuck it in the tank, so complete full tank, chuck 3 of these in. Petrol is usually good for next season. This time around, because ethanol content does seem to be increasing, I'm going to be using some of this, and that should hopefully save the rubber lines. Strictly, the XJ40 doesn't need an additional valve seat protection additive, but seeing as the engine was developed in the time of leaded petrol, it's not going to cause it, or shouldn't cause it, any harm. Anyway, that's what I use in the tank. So if you found this video informative and useful, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.